Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can capture image of our Windows Server 2022 in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Here you can see we have one virtual machine with the name of Server 2022. Click on it. Now click on connect. Then click on RDP, download RDP file and click on open file. Now click on connect. Here provide the username and password of this virtual machine. Then click OK. Here click yes. As you can see, now we are connected with our server 2022. Here click on start and click on file explorer. Then click on this PC. Now click on Windows. Here click on Windows and search system32 and open this folder. Here we have folder with the name of sysprep. Open sysprep. Now run this utility. Here first of all we need to generalize this server. To capture the image, click on it and in shutdown options choose shutdown and click OK. As you can see, our remote desktop session has ended because our server is shut down. Click OK. Here if I click on overview, you can see the status of our server is stopped. Now we want to capture the image of this server. For this, click on capture. If you want to show your image in Azure gallery, then click on yes. We want to show our image in Azure gallery, so we will choose yes. Here in second option is automatically delete the VM after creating the image. When we create image, this virtual machine will automatically goes deallocated, so we cannot use this virtual machine. I am going to check this box because I want to delete the virtual machine after creating the image. Here in target Azure compute gallery, click on create new and give any name, then click OK. Here we need to choose the state of our operating system. As you remember, we generalize the state of our operating system, so leave this as default. Here in target VM image definition, click on create new, give any meaningful name for this VM, then click OK. In versions detailed, for example 0.0.1, then further scroll down to replication. Here we do not need to change anything, then click review plus create. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Here if I click on notifications, you can see our virtual machine is also deleted successfully. Now if we click on go to resource, here you can see the details of our image. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.